Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to make a lamp with a lot of light. I open the case of the fluorescent lamp and remove the parts inside. I take 2 pieces of LED strip and glue it to the body cover. I take a female adapter jack and make a hole on the body according to it. I use a 3D printed part for the rocker key, which I have provided you with the file. I connect the positive wire to the positive terminal. The positive base is the bent base, and I connect the negative wire to the negative pin. Those 2 pins are negative, and it is better to connect to the appropriate pin than the adapter socket. I apply varnish to the bases to insulate them. I put the rocker switch in the way of the positive wire. This piece is also in the file. Well, I connect the cover of the case and pass the wire through the hole. The positive wire must be connected to the positive terminal, and the negative wire must be connected to the negative terminal. I perform the same process for another LED. Let's go for the test. Thank you for watching the video so far. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because you give me energy by doing this, and introduce me to your friends. Bye, until another video.